Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Our today's lecture is from chapter 4, problem solving, and the topic is a step-by-step approach to problem solving. In previous lecture we have discussed about the first step, that is defining the problem. Now we'll discuss the further steps. Once we have thought about the problem carefully and developed a problem definition, we can move towards finding the solution. But first we have to collect all the information available to us. This information helps us to better understand the problem and think of a good solution. We can collect this input by carefully observing our surroundings. We should record what we see, hear, and feel about the problem. The next stage is the output. After collecting input, we next have to think about what the result of our solution should be. We should ask ourselves the question, what should change as a result of the solution? This is called the output requirement. The next step is the processing requirements. Once we are clear about the input and output requirements, we can think about how to use those inputs to achieve the output. The doctor would think about how he might bring down the temperature of the patient. He might also think about which medicine in his cabinet would do that most effectively. He will also think of ways in which the strength of the patient can be restored. He might think of all the vitamin pills in his cabinet and think about which one would be the best for the patient. The next one is the solution. By thinking carefully about the processing requirements, we can discover the right solution for the problem. By thinking long and hard about the patient's condition and the medicines he might prescribe, the doctor might decide to prescribe medicine instead of medicine B to kill the bacteria in the patient's body. He might recommend vitamin pill to help the patient regain her strength. Finally, he will write down his solution on a prescription form and hand it to the patient. See how simple it is to arrive at a solution when you think about it in a step-by-step manner. Programmers also follow this approach to write computer programs. Thank you.